Good morning, everyone. We are a little too excited right now for life, I think. Right now at the campsite they are having a fall fest, so they were just making apple cider and we're going over to check it out. We had a yard sale at my parents' house this morning, so we're just starting a little late on all the fall fest, but here we go.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted together.
How was golf?
It was good.
It was fun? Now what are we gonna get? Donuts and milkshakes. That's what's up next, I think. We missed pumpkin painting. We got there too late and they were sold out of pumpkins, right? So now what do you want? Do you just want a donut or do you want a milkshake?
Just a donut.
Just a donut? Well, I think Mommy and Daddy and KK want milkshakes.
Well,
Yeah?
the donuts are called fly donuts.
Oh, okay. We'll see. Hopefully they're yummy.
Big crank. Turn the wheel.
Turn the wheel.
Keep turning.
Good job.
Keep
Just gonna keep going.
Keep turning.
Keep going.
Keep turning.
Keep going. Whoa. Good job, Maddie. Good job. Go, go, go. Push it. Good job.
Turn it.
Keep going.
Turn it.
There you go.
Keep going.
Good
We'll come back to you in a minute. Keep going. Both hands.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Stop occupied with their other hands.
Keep going.
Go, go, go.
You're almost there.
Almost there. Whoop.
Ready?
Good job.
Come back to you. Watch. Keep coming. Crank it.
Keep going.
Crank it.
Pull, pull, pull. There you go.
And there it's empty.
Whoa, is that so cool? All right, we got our donuts. We're excited for our donuts. And how'd you like your milkshake?
I thought it was okay, but she drank 90% of it.
Mommy really liked her milkshake, and you...
loved it. She said she liked it better than a chocolate one.
Oh, you like that better than a chocolate milkshake? No way. You do. Oh, I'm glad you liked it. Kaylee has decided it's nap time, so there she is. Poor Kaylee. So excited to try these. They're hot. They're really good though.
Chips are always better.
Try a bite.
Same one as you. Sure.
Well, I mean, get your own.
Now you
Yeah, try
Wow,
it.
that's really sugary.
It's good. What do you think?
Good, maybe a little less sugar, but
No.
but that's good.
No less sugar.
It's real good. Maddie,
good.
that's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little hot though.
It is hot.
Wow, that's really
Might want to let it cool down a little bit.
Wow, that's really good. It gets better with every chew. That's really good.
I want to see how good you like. Did you try a piece of it? What are you excited to do in a little bit?
There she goes.
Candy apple bar, huh? You gonna make your own candy apple? Yeah.
Candy apple at 7:30.
You're so cute. You know that?
And if there's a huge line.
You did
for
so
that.
good waiting in line. Yeah, I feel like it. I don't know. Let's see if there's a line. I feel like it's like a bar almost. Like make your, make your own. So you're gonna have like topping and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so there's those. They are really good. They said it's the first time they've done donuts, so hopefully they'll keep doing donuts because
Donut, Maddie.
the donuts are really good. We like those.
Really good.
So are the milkshakes, of course.
You like
Everyone
it?
likes milkshakes, right? Yeah? Oh, Evie. Grumpy girl today. So the Nerf gun battle is going on right now. Everybody's out here shooting each other with Nerf guns. It was like a bring your own Nerf gun kind of deal.
Mommy, you can go in.
What? What? Whoa.
You can go in.
I can go away? Or I can go in? Then go in? Okay. Ev, I dare you to go run through the battlefield. Alright, so there is a barrel train ride going on right now. We're gonna go try to find it.
If it's not, it's...
Gonna go try to find it, and then we're gonna do candy apples, right?
Hold my hand.
What do you think of?
Oh, there they come.
Here they come.
Abby's waving to the
Next up, we'll have to go on a tractor ride. You excited? What are you getting ready to do?
Make candy apple.
Yeah. Go down the line. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Okay. Do you want caramel? Do you want chocolate or you want chocolate? Okay. Are you ready to put toppings on it? Yeah? There you go, good job. How is it? Yummy? It looks so yummy. Mommy's is kind of boring looking compared to yours. I just did caramel and sprinkles. You ready to go home? Yeah? Okay. Let's go back home then, okay? Alright family, what do we think? Did everyone have a good day? Maddie had a good day. Maddie's been saying this is more fun than going to Hershey Park. So you like this? Should we stay in our RV or should we get rid of it?
RV.
You want to stay in the RV? Is this cooler than our house? Yeah? What do you think, Kay? Kaylee, you look rough. Hey, KK, did you have fun today?
You want to undo?
I don't know. You need help with the controller? Kaylee, can you tell me if you had fun today?
I got it.
Okay, did you have fun today? Okay, we don't have hearing today. Abby, did you have fun? You like it? What did you do? Did you like that tractor ride? That was fun, wasn't it? You look so tired. I think you're ready for bed. You ready for bed, Evie? Yeah, you sleepy? The dogs are down here just gnawing away on some dog treats. We got them to keep them satisfied while we were out doing all this fun stuff. How about you, Daddy? What do you think? You look tired. No? I'm tired because this one didn't sleep last night. She was miserable. Weren't you? You were miserable. Good night, Evie. Can you say bye-bye? Oh, not good night? Can you give the video a big thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Bye.
You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.